Hello, I'm Hunter Hendrix with 4-Star Freightliner. Today we're going to talk about the top 4 reasons we see an RV coming to our shop. The number one and most importantly is maintenance items, PM services, transmission services, filter changes, air system services. All of those things are what we see primarily, which is just general maintenance, taking care of your equipment. The second thing we see are check engine lights. They could be anything from a sensor issue on the engine to something in the after treatment system. Piggybacking off of that, the number one failure we see with a check engine light is the DEF header. It is the sensor in the tank that tells you the level and the DEF quality. That's the number one point of failure we see for our RVs when they come in with a check engine light. The number four is something that kind of gets a little hidden. It's oil leaks. The engine's in the back of an RV. If you drive it forward and notice some black spots on the ground, if you take a look under there, there's probably an oil leak. That's our fourth most common failure we see. If you have an issue with oil leaks or any other issue we have mentioned today, please come see your local 4-Star Freightliner dealer and we will get you serviced quickly.